I've collected things that other people saw very little value in. You have dreams about what you're working on, and so I wake up and I always in my dreams hear people talking to me. And so often I will wake up with a sentence on my mind and write it down. So this is Tiki Talk, and I'll actually read you Tiki Talk. A lot of my work is also about the stereotypes that are all we have left of history. So when you think of the Southwest, for example, this piece is about the Southwest, and when you think about the Southwest, you don't get a vision of real people. What you often remember is just all of that stuff, the tchotchkes and the stuff from the time period, rather than any real people or anything authentic. Maybe you get your own suitcase, and maybe you fill it with things that are really meaningful to you. And you have something, and you write their stories, because if you don't write their stories, the stories will be gone, and you won't have anything left. And I include the quotes because you can have a whole story in 2 sentences. So when Elvis Presley says he gets lonesome even in the middle of a crowd, I think most of us can relate to that. And so I like those little bits of memory or knowledge that tell a story.